Vlogmas day 8, I believe it is. I'm gonna turn on this light, even though it makes everything orange. Maybe I shouldn't. I think it's probably better this way. I don't know, it's dark, but that orange glow drives me nuts. Anyways, I thought that I would say hello. The first half of this day was spent on the couch. I woke up not feeling very good, sore throat, just like drainage and yuck. And so I just got showered, and today's Jimmy's birthday, so I'm getting ready to make him a cake. And it's been raining all day, so it's really super gloomy out. And I think we might watch a movie later. But yeah, we're having like a super slow day. So, but I wanted to say hello. I'm gonna make this vanilla cake I found on Pinterest, and it seems like a pretty well-loved recipe. There's a lot of reviews that say that this is like a lot of people's go-to for cake, for custom cakes. So I can't think that I've ever done it before. I don't know if I have or not, but I'm gonna give this cake a try and get those baking. Yeah, so I will try to share that recipe or website that I got this from in the description box. You want a banana? And yeah, so hopefully it will turn out good. We went to see the lights last night at Airlie. It was so beautiful. It was a really, really good time, and I'm glad that we got those tickets. So that was really fun, and yeah, we're just kind of having a day off today, kind of resting. I took like a little bit of a morning nap, and Jimmy did too, so it's just been kind of nice to take everything really slow today. But I'm gonna bring you guys along as I make this cake and whatever else we may get into today. All right, I am going to put in a half a cup of butter, and we're gonna put in 2 cups of sugar and a half a cup of canola oil. just got these out of the oven. The recipe called for 8-inch pans, but I had 9, but they still took about 33 minutes, I think I cooked these for, at 350, and it seems like at this point they just need to cool. So I'm gonna let them sit in the pan for a few minutes, then I'll take them out and let them cool on this wire rack. And we are going, let me switch you around here. We're gonna have breakfast for dinner tonight. So I'm gonna go ahead and put some biscuits in the oven and get some gravy and eggs and maybe some bacon. Something kind of easy. So I think that's what we're gonna do. Gavin has a basketball game tonight, and actually his basketball game is 2 hours away near where Jacob's at. So I think Jacob's gonna be able to maybe attend his game, and we will be watching online.
Where does Jacob live?
What?
Where does Jacob live?
Where does Jacob live? He lives in Cherry Point. Cherry Point. On the Marine Corps base.
Oh.
So I'm kind of sad to miss the game, but he has another one on Friday, which that one will be a home game. So I think we're gonna try to take the baby to that one. We're gonna give it a try and see how it goes. But yeah, so I'm excited to watch this game tonight. All right, we've got dinner. It was a team effort by me and Jimmy. I'll fix it. And we've got biscuits and gravy, some bacon, some eggs, some orange juice. What do you think about it, buddy? What do you think about it? Sounds good. All right, we just finished dinner, got everything cleaned up, and now I'm gonna make the icing for the cake. If I can get the recipe pulled back up. Actually, I don't even think I need the recipe. Yeah. So I'm gonna do the stick of butter, the 8 ounces of cream cheese, a teaspoon of vanilla, and I think it's 4 cups of powdered sugar and a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. So I'm gonna get that mixed up right now. So I'm actually pretty proud of my birthday cake. You guys ready to see it? I think it's super cute.
You better get that
Hang on.
wording right. That's mine, girl.
What?
My birthday cake.
So there it is.
I want the
She's pretty.
Okay, so we are lighting the candles for Dad. Looks so fun over
Kinda twisted
here.
up here.
That's enough. You ain't got to put 50 of them in there, honey. Got a mind when he help blow on this up from like the neighbors and everybody else. How many is that?
Uh-oh, easy. Don't blow. Don't blow. Don't blow.
Happy birthday to you.
Oh, 11.
Game going on over there.
All right, who's gonna help me blow them out?
All right.
Me. Okay.
You ready?
Yes.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Daddy. Happy birthday to you. Blow the candles out. Make a wish.
1, 2, 3, go.
Yay! Good job. So I got the little ones down to bed. I didn't get to do a lot of vlogging today because today was a hard day with the little kids. They were very crying and fighting and wild, and yeah, it was just like all day long. So sorry about that, but we just finished watching Gavin's basketball game. We streamed it and the stream kept freezing up, so that was annoying, but it was a good game. And so he is on a 2-hour bus ride back home, and he'll probably not be back until well after midnight. But I've just been sitting on the couch trying to just take it easy. I've been working in my teacher planner, and I'll show you kind of what I've been doing. I've just been going through. I noticed that these stickers that came with the teacher planner had some blank ones as well for each month, so you could put all the holidays in, but they also came with these blank ones. So I didn't realize that, and I utilize those to fill in a lot of our homeschool community days. And so I just went month by month. Let's see, so I did February. There's just shadows, so let me see. So I basically went month by month and filled in, I filled in our homeschool day and any information that I needed for those days, like what we were doing for lunch and etc. What is wrong with my focus? Ah, this camera and its focus issues.
I had the same problem.
It's so annoying. Like, it is so annoying.
I had the same problem.
Alright, but anyway, there's February. Maybe it'll decide to cooperate here. And then March. So I got those written down there. And then I also put all the holidays in, and I also did any birthdays. I tabbed with this little sticker like that. And there's April. And then May. And then June. So these were just holidays and birthdays. And that is it. I went through and just did the holidays because I don't know our next year's homeschool community schedule. But so I am just trying to get this one all set up for this coming year because we are getting very close. And I'm still not sure how I'm going to set up the weekly spreads. So if you guys have any ideas, let me know. I'm still trying to figure out my headers up here. I know one of them will be meal planning and one of them will be group homeschool subjects and cleaning schedule. But this side, I don't know. So let me know if you have any ideas. Also, this is where Miss Snowflake Sprinkles is today.
Yeah,
And this is where Mr. Elvis Sprinkles is today.
Mom, she definitely moved because I feel like she's closer to the TV than she was.
Yeah. Yeah, I do too. And here is our cute little light up globe in there.
Yeah, and guys, we named them, like, we figured out their last names. So Elvis' last name is Sprinkles and her last name is Sprinkles. And also she has earrings.
And didn't you ask them to get into a little bit of mischief tonight? She wants them to get into some trouble
Yeah, because I
tonight.
want to wake up to, like...
Something that they do. I know, we have well-behaved elves.
Yeah, I want them to get into mischief.
Oh, I don't like mischief.
Mischief.
Listen, guys, if you do any mischief, don't get too crazy, okay?
Get into the marshmallows and lollipops.
Don't get into too many cabinets. Mess up my cabinets. Yeah, I was trying to think if there was anything else to update you guys on. Yeah, sorry about the sporadic first week of Vlogmas. It was a little chaotic this first week, but I think we're gonna be back on track next week with full daily vlogs. We're gonna do this. So anyway, thanks for joining, and I will see you guys again tomorrow.